First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the front tire on your driver's side. So we're just gonna loosen them up. We're not gonna remove it all the way out yet. So loosen them up, and then next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna jack him up. Okay, after you jack him up, you gotta put a jack stand underneath the car or tire just in case the hydraulic jack failed. It'll catch on something. So if you got power tools, remove the tire. Sorry, this is what it looks like. There is a panel right there. Okay, there are like 4 screws to remove, like clip screws. The other one's not out already. So 1, 2, then 3 and 4. Okay, so I'm gonna put the link on the description down below where you can get this kit. Alright, so different kind of screws, and it comes with special tools like that to remove the clips so easy. Like that one, this is what we're gonna use, so you don't have to struggle using the flat tip screwdriver. Okay, so look at that, so easy. Stick it in there, shake it and bake it, pull it out, get some leverage. It'll come out easy. Just be patient with it. It's out. Okay, so we're gonna remove the rest, and then we're just gonna slide it down, and then you're gonna see the fill-in hole where you put the hydraulic fluid. You fill it in right here. You only use Toyota automatic transmission fluid WS. Okay, go to Toyota, use that one only. So now I'm gonna show you the drain plug on the bottom. So this is the side of the transmission where the fill-in, and you go direct underneath that. You will see the fill-in flag, the drain plug using 6mm hex wrench. Use only 6mm. Don't try to use 7 or 8. You're gonna strip that out. So use 6. Stick it up in there real good and work it out. Okay, drain it and fill it in. Super easy, right? Thank you.